I hate Listerine.
It's Listerine.
Remember, you want
I'm
to
gonna be
tell?
taking me some Listerine in a minute.
Okay, so Alexis is about to drink Listerine, and that's not all she's gonna drink because I'm gonna make her do more because that's not enough. Because anybody could do that.
Woo!
There you go. You want to take a drink of this?
No, seriously. Take a drink of that. It's not even Listerine. It's antiseptic stuff.
I'm good.
You go,
I
dude.
took the cinnamon, okay? Ah.
Well, it was over the...
You want to drink it off the bottle?
No, I'm just going to
Why don't you just take a gulp out of the bottle and do a lot easier?
You gotta drink it. That wasn't nothing.
Exactly.
Man, come on.
We were gagging everything.
Here's the real. Watch this.
No, you're not going on there. Nobody likes you. How big of a drink I got?
Just gulp, like 2 gulps.
2 big, huge ass
And
gulps.
just go. Just drink it. Like I drank the water.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it came out your mouth.
I swallowed. Oh, don't record that part. Oh, it's nasty.
I need some of this.
Did you see his face? He was like, he shook. He's like,
Alright, what else are we gonna do?